Are you looking for ways to make money from the comfort of your home? Guess what? You're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to make money irrespective of your age, your location, or your gender. First on my list here is for you to start a YouTube channel. Yes, YouTube is actually a lucrative way to make money, yeah, and you get paid every month. What can be better than that? Passive income. What are we talking about here? So guys, once you start your YouTube channel, make sure that you cross promote with other channels. Yeah, so are you not building your follower count? Oh yeah? Use YouTube marketing tools and try to collaborate with other YouTube stars in your niche and ride on their cocktails. That even reminds me, if you would like to collaborate with me on finance related niche or any other niche, let me know in the comments. Yes, let's know, let's have a collaboration. Yes, this is time for us to collaborate and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. So guys, let's get right into today's business. And just so you know, viewers love user generated content. So if you're a brand, a user generated content on YouTube gets 10 times more views than content uploaded by the brand. Yes, so you can offer your services to brands. Yes, you can feature them on your channel. Yes, so create a consistent schedule and stick to it. Also stick to a plan. Yes, stick to a plan. It's very essential because your followers need to know when to expect your next video. And also note that success on YouTube comes with time. And just so you know, if you don't know, now you know. I am a YouTube coach. I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize from day one. Yes. So if you want to schedule a free consultation with me, let me know in the comments. Yes, you have to become a Patreon member to be able to schedule a consultation with me, and that's the way it goes. Yes, it's just to save both of us from wasting each other's time. Yes, so yes, go ahead and introduce yourself in case you have not introduced yourself. I want to know you and me too. Where in the world are you watching from? I have a giveaway at the end of today's video, so please watch all the way till the end. So to be successful on YouTube, make sure you follow the tips. Yes, so follow the right tips, follow the right strategies. Yes, and you might be rolling in all that cash from YouTube. See, don't be fooled by views that you see on some videos. There's some people that get all the views in this world, and you don't necessarily have to have so much views to make good money. Yes, as a matter of fact, you can have low views and make a lot more money than some people that have high views in certain niches. So you have to be mindful of that. So you know what? Go out there and start shooting awesome videos. Next thing you should do is to launch your business with Kickstarter. Yes. Do you plan to launch the next big SaaS company, that is software as a service? What is stopping you? Maybe you're thinking of funding. If you don't know what Kickstarter is, this is what they do. It's a funding platform where creators can bring their audience together for a creative project. And then the community on Kickstarter funds these projects to get them started. All in all, the platform is entirely driven by crowdfunding. Please note that getting your projects approved on Kickstarter is not 100% certain. About 25% of projects get rejected on an average every year. You can go through their guidelines to make sure that your project doesn't get rejected. Now, Kickstarter, just so you know, they've helped fund over 1,000 projects, from documentary films to medium-sized ventures. They fund all sorts of projects. Kickstarter doesn't offer long-term, investments. It's just a platform where folks with creative ideas look for initial funding. In return, they provide small incentives in the form of a book or an autograph of a rock star and so on. You also need to set your funding goals on Kickstarter. For example, you set a goal of collecting maybe $2,000 within a month. If you fail to raise this amount within the set time frame, then your project will not get any donation. However, don't consider Kickstarter as a get-rich-quick platform. It will only help you kickstart your project or your business without incurring debt. Kickstarter is a way to generate free money. Yes, you can also join survey sites. Yes, so these are ways to also make money. So you can relax in your bedroom. Yes, so sip your coffee, take surveys and get paid. There are hundreds and thousands of professionals that are earning money by simply joining survey websites and taking surveys. I mean, usually survey sites helps you earn anything between $20 for a single survey to $1,000, $2,000, yes. And you can take several surveys in a day and you can manage to earn a little extra money. There are websites like Survey Junkie. They help you take surveys after you build a profile on their website, and after you build your profile, they match you to a survey that is based on your preference, your choices. Also, getting paid is extremely easy. You can redeem your virtual points right away into your PayPal account, or you can get an e-gift card after every survey. For every survey that you take, you can earn 50 to 450 points. And then yes, another one is a survey site, Inbox Dollars. They have given out more than $57 million in cash rewards. Another survey site is Toluna. Yes, Toluna awards between 2,000 points to 50,000 points for every survey. Yes, so and you can cash it out in PayPal payments, on Amazon, and of course high street vouchers. See, clearly once you join the survey site, you get an opportunity to earn a decent passive income. If you need to make quick money, joining a survey website may be a perfect option for you. Just so you know, there are no compulsory work hours. You can take the survey whenever you want to. No commute. Yeah, you don't need to take a bus or take a ride anywhere or drive anywhere. It is simple. It is not time consuming. And here are some of the websites where you can start to do surveys and earn money. swagbox.com, surveyjunkie.com, inboxdollars.com, lifepoints.com, Prize Rebel. Another way to start making money online is to become a social media manager. Guys, social media has taken the world by storm, and if you know how to use it well, you can make a lot of money as a social media manager. I mean, every company needs someone who knows what they are doing with social media, and it's better if that person is handling multiple websites. As a social media manager, you have to be able to do a little bit of everything, from creating a Facebook page to uploading content and then engaging with other social media users. If you know how to market your company well on social media, there will always be someone who needs what you can offer. It may sound challenging, but if you learn the ropes and you're good at what you do, there is no end to the number of people who will want you on their team. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to spark up something, maybe some of your creative juices, yes, on how to start a business online, how to start making money online starting from today. Which of these strategies are you going to try out? Let me know in the comments. Guys, here is how to win my giveaway today. I'm going to be giving $100 out, yes, in today's video. Here is what you need to do to enter for my giveaway contest. I have finally launched my Telegram community. All you need to do is add your friends, 50 of your friends, to my Telegram group, and come back to this video. So you can start by sending the link to 500 of your friends or 1,000 of your friends, and then 50 of them will join. Come back to this video, let me know, hey, 50 of my friends have joined, or 60 of my friends. The more, the better. So once I verify, I will send you the $100. Yes, so I can Venmo it to you, Cash App, PayPal. I can also send it through Western Union Money Transfer, MoneyGram. Yes, whichever way, I will send it to you anywhere you are in the world. And yes, if you have not introduced yourselves, yes, go ahead and do that. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? If you're seeing me for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Mariam A, based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTube coach. I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and start to monetize it from day one. So guys, that is it for today. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. And to all of my Patreon members, thank you. If you want to join my Patreon community, find the link in the description and in the comments. You can also join my channel membership. When you join my Patreon membership or my channel membership, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things grants, money, business, and everything in between. And that is it, guys. If you have any question, let me know. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and of course I will see you in my next video. Take care guys, bye for now.
Mariam A.